All right, this is pre-calculus video on factoring review using the by grouping method. This is objective 7. Okay, you want to use the by grouping method anytime you have a polynomial with 4 terms. And the first step to grouping is to group into pairs. And this is what that looks like. You just put parentheses around the first 2 and parentheses around the second 2. And then the next step is to GCF both pairs. So the GCF of the first group is x squared. So x to the third divided by x squared is x. And x to the second divided by x is 1. The GCF of the second group is 1. And when you're using the by grouping method to factor, if the GCF is 1, you have to write a 1. Okay. Step 3, the stuff in the parentheses must match. Is that true? Yeah, it is. This stuff is the same as this stuff. Okay, step 4, factor out the stuff in parentheses. Okay, so if they both of those terms have an x plus 1 in them, then I can divide x plus 1 out. And what's left is going to be x squared plus 1. So that goes in the second parentheses. So that's it. That's the answer right there. All right, problem 2. All right. Step 1 is to group. Step 2 is to GCF. So the GCF of the first group is 10x to the second. 10x to the third divided by 10x to the second is x. 20x to the second divided by 10x to the second is 2. The GCF of the second group is 1. It's not always 1, but it was in these first 2 examples. The stuff in the parentheses must match, so I'm going to divide an x plus 2 out of both. And what I'm going to be left with is this and this in the other parentheses. Next problem. Okay, group. Okay, the GCF of the first group is x to the second. X to the third divided by x to the second is x. 3x to the second divided by x to the second is 3. The GCF of the second group is 10. 10x divided by 10 is x. 30 divided by 10 is 3. The stuff in the parentheses doesn't match. I'm going to divide out an x plus 3. And so x squared plus 10 goes in the other parentheses. All right. I'm going to do these quickly. If you'd like to pause the video now, you can check your work using the video. All right,